Today, the unit I am going to see is a small, one-door, under-counter unit. The owner said that it simply did not work. So, he unplugged the power. Let me plug in back to see what is the problem. The power is on. I can see display is on. But nothing beside this. Usually, once plug in, it should start to run right away for a refrigerator. For reference, many companies include a delay function for freezers. Then I'll check if the PCB is fine or not. And check if it is sending electricity to each part without any problem. This is PCB box. Let me open it. It just looks fine. Like there is no problem. No burn marks. First, let me check if the power come in. One for this white wire. One for the black wire. 116 volt. The power is coming. Next, black wire and yellow wire. These are for the compressor. Nothing coming out. This means that main power is coming in. But for somehow, the compressor is not provided the power. Unplug the power, because I am going to replace a PCB board. First step to replace a PCB board, disconnect all wires. One thing good when you disconnect wires for this board, you don't have to mark or remember the wires, because every connection is different from others. So simply just disconnect all wires. But make sure there is no power. I mean that unplug the power cable before you start to work. Now, I am going to plug back all wires to a new PCB board. Just plug it into the new PCB in reverse order from the old PCB. All connections are different, so you just have to find the right wire for the connection and plug it in. Another thing to note is that you have to be careful when plugging each wire pin into the new PCB. Sometimes they say it doesn't go in well, so they try to push it in by force, but if you plug it in the wrong place, damage to the pin may occur, and then you may have to change the wire as well. This is the last wire. After this wire, I will plug back the power cable to test it. It's not plugged in well. Let's plug it in carefully again. Okay. It goes in. It's done. Now, plug in the power. Let me see display. Okay. It is on now. How about the condenser cleaner? It is on. Look carefully. It brushes very slowly up. Let me play the video a little quicker. You can see that the brush goes up and turns. Now it is going down and turns. It is working properly. Next, compressor and condenser fan motor. The condenser fan motor is running fine. And compressor. As I expected, the problem was from PCB board. Now, let me finish the work. To complete the work, unplug the power first. In order to replace the defective PCB at the back, I will first remove a wire from the PCB at the front. If it doesn't come off well, be a little careful and give it more force. After removing 2 bolts on both sides, the box at the back comes out easily. After loosening the screw, keep it well so as not to lose it. And when you replace a new PCB box, use these screws. Also loosen the remaining screws. Replace the new PCB box in the same place as the existing box and fix it with the screws. There is no need to rush, just fasten one screw at a time. Then connect the wire that has the red connection and close the box cover, and you are done without any work. I will close the box and final test the product again if the temperature drops normally. There shouldn't be any problems because I just finished the test that the unit started well. Plug in power. Display works fine. The temperature starts at 79 degrees. The fan and compressor is running well. I will check the temperature after putting back the back grill. This was the video on how to change the PCB box. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Now, I will finish this video by checking the temperature. Thank you for watching this video today.